Hey everybody, welcome back. By this point, you have probably finished your first project and are ready to add it to the website. So what we are going to do is we're going to head to our course page. We're going to head to Pages here, and then I want you to notice when I select my course page, you'll see these three dots right here. Click on those three dots and you are going to see right here, add subpage. That's what we are looking for in this instance. So we're going to add a subpage and you're going to name it whatever your project name is. So I'm just going to write project 1. You could write ceramic cups or value drawing or something like that. Now from here, you are going to include a gallery of images of your process. So for example, you might have some in-progress images of your artwork. You might have finished images of your artwork. If your artwork is three-dimensional, you might have more than one image of your final piece from different angles. So that's the best way to do it. So we're going to look at kind of these layouts here. You could choose some layouts to work with here, or we could scroll down. You could create an image carousel, so kind of like a little slideshow if you want. I will leave that up to you. So I'm going to just pick this layout to start with. So what I need is some images. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. Go to my art file. And I might show some of my preliminary images. So maybe I have this video that I want to add of my preliminary stuff. And from here, I would title it, I could write preliminary work, or I could write sketches, or whatever it is. If you feel like it needs more information, we could type it here. So, okay. And then if you have more images you need to add for preliminary work, you could add more photos. I'm just going to add my finished artwork. So hitting this little square right here allows us to see the whole thing. We could crop in on it if you wanted, but I want to see the whole picture. I can drag this one down to kind of meet it. Hopefully it'll, oh boy, that's not what we want. Never mind, we'll leave it short. Okay, then here you're going to write the title of your artwork. So title, if I actually wrote the actual title, it would be Now I Am Become Death, Destroyer of Worlds. Pretty intense. I'm just going to stick with title. Underneath here, you want to write the media that you created your artwork with, the date, so maybe when you finished your artwork, and what's the size, so how big is it? Those are all important things to know. So media, date, size. All right, so we've got that finished, and then what you need is at the bottom, we're going to put in another text box, and here you're going to write your artist statement. So your artist statement will be a couple paragraphs that kind of explain your process and how you got to the end of your artwork, but also describing the ideas and the concepts behind your artwork. So for every project that you do, you're going to create a new subpage and label them all. You're going to have your preliminary work, your research, your sketches, all the things you do before you start your final. And then you're going to have an image of your final, or more than one image of your final. You're going to label everything with the title, media, date, size. Your preliminary work will have descriptions of what you did and why you're doing it. And then below you're going to have your artist statement that explains your concept and your process. Stay tuned for your next video.